In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Angels We Have Heard on High. We're going to do both the chords and the melody on piano. Before we get started, you'll find two chord charts linked in this video's description, and they're both different versions of the same thing. One shows you the melody written as the actual notes that you're going to play, and the other one shows the melody written as the numerals, that is, the numbers and order in the scale of E that you're going to be playing. So they give you the same information in two different ways. So let's begin by going over the scale of E major, which is what we're going to use for this song. We have E, that's note 1, then F sharp is note 2, then G sharp is note 3, then A is 4, B is 5, C sharp is 6, D sharp is 7, and then E is back to 1. And the notes we're actually going to be playing melodically are only going to be notes 1 through 6. So E, and then I use finger 2 for F sharp, finger 3 for G sharp, finger 4 for A, finger 5 for B, and finger 5 also for C sharp. Now there's also going to be a low B that you have to play in the chorus, and for that just take your thumb and reach down to that low B like that. Now let's play through the melody slowly. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Now the chorus. Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo. Now let's add the chords. And I have different versions of the song, but this is going to be the most stripped down, simple version. If you want to find a harder version, then I do have a chord chart in my giant song database, which is linked in this video's description as well. And so the simple version is only going to use 3 chords. We have E major, notes E, G sharp, and B, and always chord, in most circumstances that is, with fingers 1, 3, and 5, the thumb, middle, and pinky. When you're doing these basic triads, it's really the best way. And now our next chord is going to be A major. That's going to be notes A, C sharp, and E. And conveniently, it's the same shape as E. They're both white, black, white. Now we're going to do the different one, B major, which is notes B, D sharp, F sharp. All right, let's combine all of our elements and play through the verse and chorus. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. In excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. I hope you found that helpful, and if it was, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.